I didn't grow up around skyscrapers. I wasn't raised on concrete and sirens. But something about this city always called to me. Not like a dream, more like a challenge. New York doesn't roll out red carpets. It throws you into the deep end and watches if you'll swim. People move like they've got 10 places to be. And somehow, they still find time to build empires in between. This place, it'll test you. The noise, the pace, the weight of it all. You either get sharper or you fade out. But if you've got something real in your chest, a vision, a hunger, something that can't be quieted, this city answers. Not with comfort, but with opportunity. You walk these blocks, and every step says, prove it. And that's the thing. I didn't come here to take pictures of buildings. I came here to become one. This is what it feels like to be outside, to be awake, to be in it. This is New York.